Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to tag people on your LinkedIn post. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. If you want to tag someone while posting on LinkedIn, first of all, open up the LinkedIn mobile application. As you can see, once you do open it up, at the mid bottom you can find post. Tap on it and let me post a picture. Let's go for this picture, and at the bottom right tap on allow. Tap the picture, click on add. At the top right click on next, and if you want to add someone or add a mention, you can just simply tap on add and you can just mention someone like this, or at the top you can find anyone. Tap on the downward arrow and just turn this brand partnership on. Once you turn this brand partnership on, once you can do that, you will get the option of work and stuff like that. You can easily add the person relevant to work. For example, if someone is going for the work, you can at the bottom is go for the post of that hiring stuff, and at the top is the person or the boss or something like that. You can just mention that person. Otherwise, just click on add and enter the ID that you want to mention, and that's it. That is how you can tag someone on LinkedIn post. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.